Hey, let me ask you something personal. Have you ever started watching a movie and felt that itch in your head, like the sound should be pulling you into the moment but it just doesn't? That subtle disappointment is exactly what pushed me to upgrade to the Marantz Cinema 70s. This isn't just another receiver, this is for the person who feels sound, who notices when voices float, when explosions lack presence, when music feels flat instead of dimensional. If you're that kind of listener and viewer, take a minute and check the current price and availability, because units with this level of refinement don't linger at solid pricing for long. You know it was time to upgrade when your old gear felt tired, like it was always catching up to what you were trying to watch. I was there, middling surround feel, inconsistent dialogue clarity, and big action scenes that sounded congested instead of cinematic. That point when you start watching the volume slider instead of the screen, that's when you realize you're settling. The first time I powered this in, I felt it instantly. Dialogue stopped hiding behind the music. Ambience wrapped around the room. Every sound had space and intention. It wasn't just louder, it was alive. Once you feel that kind of sonic cohesion, going back feels like stepping out of a theater into a quiet room. In real use, this receiver adapts to how you watch and listen. Action films feel textured and energetic without sounding messy. Quiet moments stay detailed instead of being swallowed by background noise. Streaming music through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi feels rich and warm. Even casual TV shows start to feel present, like you're actually part of the scene instead of just hearing it. Here's a quick reminder before you drift back to comparisons: don't hesitate thinking prices will magically drop. Gear this integrated and capable, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, HEOS multi-room streaming, tends to shift in stock and pricing unpredictably. If this is on your mind, that's your cue you've already felt the limits of your current setup. Maybe you're thinking a slim unit can't make this big of a difference, or that a cheaper model might work fine. That mindset is the trap most people fall into. This isn't about cheap or adequate, it's about sound that feels intentional, that supports every beat, word, and note. Cheaper setups might be allowed, but they rarely define the experience in a way that feels complete. One thing that genuinely took me by surprise was how effortless everything sounds. I stopped fiddling with settings mid-show, stopped guessing if dialogue would cut through, stopped adjusting for each genre. It just works, and that lack of friction becomes part of your routine. Owning the Cinema 70s doesn't just elevate your audio, it changes how you experience content. You don't strain for clarity anymore. You don't tense up during complex scenes wondering if your system will handle it. You just watch, fully immersed. Voices come through anchored and clear, action has depth, not chaos, music feels rich without strain, Atmos envelops without distortion. Your setup finally serves the content. It isn't the absolute cheapest box you'll see, and it isn't tiny, but once you live with how it balances every moment, those concerns fade because performance feels right. Eventually, endless comparison stops and you choose what actually enhances your experience. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time your current setup stumbles again. Check the current price and availability now, trust your instincts, and step into the kind of sound that doesn't just play your media, it reveals it.